guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today I got Pat Johnson with me from Rugged Ridge, and we're going to take a look at the Armis hard folding truck bed cover. Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
So tell me a little bit about this particular hard folding truck bed cover.
This truck bed cover is made specifically for the Gladiator, and it is a nice secure piece, gives a great appearance for the vehicle, helps close in the back of the bed and keeps everything secure. One of the nice things about this is you're not losing any of your cargo capacity with this top. So it gives the full use of the back of the bed. Easy tri-fold opening. And when it's closed, the bed is secure when you lock the tailgate, so you don't have to have any locks in the cover.
And this is a brand new product for you guys, right?
Absolutely. Just brought this out. It's a brand new vehicle platform. So we have this one available for any of the consumers that are looking to have a nice, hard, solid cover.
And what's the warranty that we're looking at on this particular product?
We do a minimum 5-year warranty on all of our products.
So let's take a look at how it works.
Sure. This tri-fold cover has latches on either side. Simple cable pull. You can operate it from either end. Opens in 3 different sections. You can operate the vehicle with this in this position. It has a nice tether strap here. It clips into the hard mounted bracket. This way it's secure. It's not going to come loose on the vehicle. If you want to take this one more stage all the way up into the upright, and we offer 2 prop rods here, one on each side. It helps to hold the cover in this position. This vehicle is unique. It has a hard top and a soft top option, both of which are removable. So we don't want the bed cover to come in contact with the top or rely on the top for a secure proposition. So we offer this.
So as we're looking at the installation for this, what are some of the things that comes with it and the process?
One of the nice things about this kit is it comes pretty much fully assembled. You're going to get 2 full rails that mount on either side to factory existing locations, so you're not having to drill any holes. Comes with all the hardware you're going to need. The bed cover itself comes fully assembled, so you're simply going to lay it into place and attach the clamps at the bottom that hold it secure. And make sure everything's aligned before you're done. It takes a little bit less than an hour.
Yeah, so about a 2 out of 10, really not a long time and pretty easy process.
Yep, straight, simple tools.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Armis hard folding truck bed cover from Rugged Ridge. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a dealer locator link where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you loved it, click the bell icon to subscribe so you never miss a new video when we post it. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the garage.